What is up, YouTube? Mark Hicks coming at you with another video. Popping up because two of the biggest sleepers this year, I think, have dropped in the past. Scratch that. Okay, these are two of the biggest sleepers. One just released this past weekend, October 22nd. One is not releasing until November. I forgot this was, they released early, and I don't know. The first pair, past weekend, October 22nd, we got the Yeezy 350 Salt. And you may be like, bro, did you just say Yeezy was the biggest sleeper? I'm only saying that because you didn't really hear about these. Honestly, and I don't know if you'll be able to tell the color. You can probably tell. It's like a teal. I asked Instagram what color this was because I didn't know. It's like a teal, light blue, but it's not like a, so it's like a light blue, but it's not like the blue tint light blue. Like that's the blue tint. This is like the, I don't know. I think they're like teal. I don't know what color this is. But I think they're really a sleeper. Because when I got these in hand, I immediately was like, these kind of fire. These kind of tough. But you know what's strange about this? Okay, before, I just have to do a disclaimer. Because they are a sleeper. But they did not release big sizes. They didn't really release anything bigger than an 11. And even the 11 is super limited. So 12 through 14, I don't know if we're getting a restock later, or that's just something to keep an eye on. Because right now, if you look at prices on these, anything small to 10 and a half is like normal price. Maybe $20, $40, $50 over retail. You get from about 11 and a half to 15, they're like $500. Dead serious. Don't know what it is, but this is a really clean shoe. So if you can find it, I'd say cop. I'd say cop. Now, I don't give you guys a lot of cop recommendations, but that's a cop. The other is one releasing in November. This is where I got confused, but I still think it's a sleeper for 2022. Jordan women have been getting some fire recently. And so I'm sorry for my big feet people. You know, I can't cop these. Big feet, we can't cop. They only go up to 10 and a half in men's. But finally, the girls get a nice shoe. Finally, my females get a nice shoe. We got a Jordan 11 high midnight navy. And this is like a nubuck velvet type material. I mean, you can't tell on the camera, but good Lord, this material looks good. This is one of those shoes I'd be scared to wear, to be honest. I would spray them, but still, this is a clean shoe, man. I just like looking at this shoe. Oh no, I don't think I got any pair of shoe that could really come close to this type of quality. This is a beautiful shoe. It looks good. It feels good. It feels different. This is a head turner. You put these on. These are pretty tough. They're not gonna be too expensive too. So if it's like, you just wanted this color, Jordan 11, you got some Georgetown stuff, I don't know. But I think it's a sleeper. These look nice. They look nice in pictures. They look nice in hand. The girls get a sleeper. I mean, both of these really aren't that available in big sizes, so it's kind of weird. So I'm gonna call them small feet sleepers. But there you go. We got a Yeezy, we got a Jordan 11. We gonna holla at y'all, man. Monday Night Football is on, so I'm about to go do that, and yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. I don't know what release. I should have showed you all Women 4s. I messed up. Those Women 4s, good Lord, that material is crazy. I don't even know what that is either. I don't know, but we'll catch you on the next one.